Alright, I'm here at Universal Studios Hollywood, and it looks like they have a brand new Chef Toad collection, which is pretty cool. I've never seen anywhere else, so I'll go through all the items and tell you the prices as well. So here is a lunchbox for $35, and I'll show you the back here as well. It has the little logo on it. Got the Chef Toad mug, and that is $16 for those. Little girl's dress, that's an extra small right there for $55, and I'll show you the back to see if there's anything cool on it. Nah, just the print. And then here's a little boy's shirt for $30. And again, nothing really on the back of that one. There we go. Now we got some spatulas. These are pretty cool, actually. A little set of 2. $25. And Chef Toad hats. These are pretty awesome if you have a chef in your life. Those are $35. And then we have pot holders. I think it's a pot holder set for $25. You get both of these in one set. A little set of 2 dish towels. These are $25. And a apron that's pretty cool looking. And these, I'm not finding a price. Oh, here we go. $30 for those. Come over here, I have Chef Toad hats for $35 with the Universal Studios logo on the back, or writing on the back, I should say. $15 for these little notepads. Now these are kind of interesting. These are actually memo pad, so they're not a plush. They are plush, but they're kind of solid. You can see, and they open up. You can't really open them because they're tied shut. Oh, this one actually somebody opened already, and it has a set of notepads inside of it. So it's sort of like a solid but plush memo box. And these are, let's see if there's a price on any of these. $20 for those. That's actually a pretty good deal because they're pretty cool and they're reusable as well. A couple shirts. This adult shirt is a $40 shirt. This one is also $40, and nothing on the back there. Looks pretty similar to the ones on the other side. Nothing on the back of that one as well. And here's a whole batch of stuff as well. We've got a Super Nintendo World Chef Toad magnet. $12. It's actually pretty sizable. It's kind of heavy. These are another magnet set. Those are $18. Yeah, $18. And various keychains. I'm assuming these are all the same at $15 each. All of these. Let's make sure, yeah, they're all 15. Little pin set for $20. You can see those. Pretty cool. They don't move or anything though, so they're pretty basic. Magnetic list pad set. That's kind of interesting. They've got magnets on the back. This is $15. And you put these on your fridge for your grocery list, your recipes, and your weekly plan. And last but not least, of course, you got a little, this is my favorite actually, little Chef Toad, almost like a little bag. It's got a zipper on the top, you can see right there. And these are only $25. That's actually a pretty good deal for a cool Chef Toad souvenir. So that's pretty much all the new Chef Toad merchandise here in the new shop, or in the traditional shop. This is right by the exit here at Universal Studios Hollywood.